The opposition National Democratic Congress is questioning why court officials and state prosecutors are not using laid-down constitutional processes to serve Assin North Member of Parliament James Jachi Kwesen with court processes. The MP is in a subject of multiple legal actions that can potentially affect his stay in Parliament. He's yet to show up in court. His lawyers today informed the Supreme Court they had filed an application to challenge its earlier ruling. The individuals who have been fighting the MP right from the High Court say the legislator is delaying the court's processes. Correspondent Joseph Akable has the rest of the story.
Richard Mensah, who speaks for Michael Ankoma Nimfa, a resident of Assin North who filed an election petition against the MP, says the legislator is evading court processes.
As I've always been saying, it is a delay strategy, a delay task that they are employing. But they say that the wheels of justice grind slowly, but it shall definitely get to its destination. They cannot, and I repeat, they cannot employ this delayed tactics in perpetuity. This case shall surely come up for determination, and in the end, justice will be served in the form of a judgment on this case.
The MP's lawyers say they are challenging a decision of the Supreme Court to adjourn a February 8 proceeding to February 10. This, they explain, denied them of the legally allowed 7 days to file some documents. NDC Director of Legal Affairs, Abraham Maliba, says the right procedure must be followed.
That is false. We are here to deal with the rules of court. The rules of court require that when a motion is filed and then there is a reply and you also need to respond to some of the issues raised in the motion, you are given 7 days. Here we are given less than 7 days. And that ruling is what we are contesting. So we'll file a review application of the decision of the court to give us lesser number of days to file our response. Now, the delay is not occasioned by we who are interested in ensuring that the case moves on. The delay is occasioned by the court's own decision to shortchange our time period. And so we decided that we'll come by a review so that the court will give us more time to file our responses. And so there's no delay here.
He's also rejected suggestions the MPs evading court processes.
All members of Parliament, and says that on your way to Parliament and returning from Parliament, you cannot be served. And so it is for the bailiffs to find ways of ensuring that they are able to serve him without breaching the Constitution. There has been a gentleman's agreement where the Speaker of Parliament has requested that if there are processes to be served on members of Parliament, they come through him. Why is that they don't want to go through the Speaker?
Cases involving the MP resumes next week. First is this challenge of the court's adjournment, which comes off on February 15, with a criminal case filed against the MP also coming up at the High Court on February 15 as well.